We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Friends and family will prosper. Pick up for business. Okay, guys, we are marking up SPCE. Let's take a look at what's going on. Okay, so near price action goes up. How far are we looking? Looking at area of highs. Price action go down. How far can we go? Go down to this level here. Price action drop below this point, it'll be headed back down to the low where price began at. What we're going to do is add a midpoint right through the middle. Now let's read the market, see what's going on. There's a pattern forming. So the pattern I see so far is a double top. The market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down to the midpoint. And if it's a true double top, the market would break a little bit more, retest, and the market's dropping down. Let's take a look at what's going on. Okay, so we can clearly see the double top. So price action in this area here, we work our way up to the top. You can see that we on that, not that third or fourth leg of that double top. So market pushed down, and candles near price. There's a whole bunch of dojis, so the market's retesting. So it's going to either shoot up, down, or sideways. And if we go up from price, we received a triple top and a retest. Market pushed down once, market pushed down twice. Market can't push down a third time. If not, when market do get to this midpoint, it can't create enough momentum to create some type of pattern to push up. Let's see if that we can identify that. Okay, so near price action, we can see that market is consolidating in this area here. So that means we're waiting for the market to break out, continue consolidating, or break down to further levels. When we look at price action, we also can see that we have a engulfing pattern. So this last active candle is engulfing the previous candle. There's a long wick here, so we got to be careful of this. Got to pay attention to what's going on in this area here. It can just be a retest, but the market can shoot up. If not, the market could be pushed up in a lower time frame. Let's take a look at what's going on the 4 hour. Okay, so on the 4 hour, the market is retesting. So that's the market broke. It is retesting. So we got to see what's going on in here. You can also see that market look like is having issues breaking. So if we connect the wicks, it's creating some type of wedge in this area here. That means once we go down a lower time frame, we'll probably see the market consolidating. So that means we're waiting for the market to break out to the upside or the downside. Let's take a look at the 3. We can see that the market is consolidating in these areas here. But we're still looking for that breakout. That's some type of wedge pattern that's going on here in the 3 hours so far, 4, 3, and now we're on the 2. It's still consolidating, so it's confirming that the market is in that wedge. We're still getting smaller candles forming. We're looking for that breakout of that wedge pattern. Headed down to the 1. Okay, now we can see that the market is in that wedge pattern, but there's also a pattern forming, is a decline W. So we got that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So retest could happen somewhere in this area here. You'll probably see that on the lower time frame. So that means what? Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. So We are on that first, second leg, third leg of the W. And if it's the opposite end, it'll be first, second, third, fourth. That'll be the fourth leg of an M. So if it's an M is going down, we'll be looking for a retest. Market selling, so it's a retest here. So we're looking for some type of engulfing pattern to happen after this doji. And if we see a big green one, we know that the market's going up. See a big red one, market's going down. Okay, we have another doji on the 45-minute. So the market's just consolidating still. So we still haven't received a breakout. You want to see an engulfing pattern above this candle here, below this candle. But it didn't happen. It's consolidating. Headed down to the 30. Still the same. Markets is still consolidating. Also, we can see that pattern that's being formed a lot more clear. It was like on that third leg, it was a W, and if it's an M, first leg, second leg, third leg, almost at the fourth leg of a double top. So we don't know how far, if it's a double top, we don't know how far it's going to come down for that retest. It can come down at least to this low point here, create some momentum, go up. But this could be it right here, and it just could shoot up. We're still waiting for that pattern to form. So it looks like the M is being respected so far now. So we got that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we got that double top. So market pushed up once, market pushed up twice. We have a retest here. So market can retest as far as it want to go. Now, if it breaks this point, we know that market's headed to this line. If it breaks that, it's headed back down. So I don't see a formation of a W. It can still come up for that fourth leg and create that W and be in that uptrend, but it's not happening yet. Market's still consolidating. Let's head over to price. Now, if we go to price, we can see that double top. So market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, got a retest, market selling down. Headed down to the 3. Okay, so we see another retest. It's not an engulfing pattern or a pattern to show that the market's going to shoot up. It's strong. This candle's not strong enough for the market to push the market up just yet. You may have to take another 2 to 3 to form if the market comes up. If not, this is just going to be a retest. The market can drop down to the next level. Headed down to the 1. Now we can see the market working its way back up. We don't know if it's going to be a single bottom, okay, or a double bottom for the market to shoot back up. But where price action is, we're looking for price to break this area over here. So once we get some bodies of the candle, not the wicks, but the bodies, once the bodies of the candles start breaking out, and then we'll see it push out, looking for that retest. We'll take that trade in this area here, and we'll take it to the next level. We got to give this market some time to move. It can still push down, but at the same time, it can still push up. It's in the middle of a range, so we just wait for the market to break out of this high, come back down for that retest, take it to the next level. If not, we know the market can consolidate. If not, the market does what? This could be the final touch to the top. Market can sell down. If it is selling, looking for that retest. Market going to new levels down. Very important information, guys. Understand patterns in the market. You understand what direction the market is going to go into. When you see the identification of the market for you to take the trade, head over to Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet on Google. Explains to you if the market is in a double top, what will happen. The market is double bottom, what can happen. And you can just follow along when you're looking at your favorite pairs. Also, guys, please study the breakout and retest strategies. Very important information. Understanding when a market breaking out of a resistance or a support area, what's going to happen in these areas when it's breaking, okay? And what's going to happen is we're always looking for a retest of that SR line, support and resistance. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. SPCE stock.